everyone, it's Melanie, and I have hooded eyes to begin with. So now that I'm getting older, they're drooping even more. So I was looking on Amazon and I found this double sticky eyelid tape for so I'm like, what the hell? It was less than $5. And you guys know how cheap I am. So I'm like, all right, let's give it a shot. So I ended up buying some on Amazon, and this is the envelope that it came in. This is the size of the item. Do they really need an envelope 3 times the size? Well, you know how Amazon is. This is called Eye Charm Magic Slim, and that is the only English that is on this package at all. So I have no idea what the instructions say, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of try it out in front of you for the very first time together. So we'll see if I screw it up or if it actually works. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the package and we're gonna see what is inside. Okay, so it's a little envelope and it has a little plastic thing which you use to push it into your eyes. And this is the tape. Oh, okay, so there's 2 of them. And I'm gonna use a little micellar water and I'm gonna clean off my eyelid area. I'm kind of scared because I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm gonna start by removing, oh, are you serious? Okay, so I ended up just removing the backing. All right, there we go. So I pulled off the entire thing with the sticky stuff on it. So I guess I'm gonna start by removing the white sticky backing. All right, I'm just gonna take all the backing off. Oh man, there's all types of little hairs and stuff caught on here. I think the trick is really knowing where to put it. All right, I'm just gonna put it like totally right on my eye creases. Okay, I think we're cooking with gas. Isn't that gross? Oh yeah, I have an eyelid for the first time in my life. Well, what do you think? See, every time I take it off, this little piece comes off. Let's try it on this side. Okay, it's on there. It's on there like right where my crease is. And now I'm gonna stick this in. It does not feel good. I don't like it. It feels like I'm sticking my eye with toothpicks. And I know it looks gross. Ouch! I think maybe it might even be a little too wide for my eye. Okay, what do you guys think? I do see an eyelid there. I mean, I don't know that it makes enough of a difference though to want to use it all the time. I do feel it a little bit. When I look down in the mirror, it like really trips me out because it looks really creepy. Oh, and my eyelashes are sticking to it. Oh, it's really sticky. To get it off, I'm just kind of scraping it with my fingernail. Let's do one more time. Right on my crease. Do, 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 do. Oh, I definitely have more of an eyelid than I ever had before. I feel like you can see it when I look down. It's a little bit shiny. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some makeup on and see if it will hide this eyelid tape. Oh, my eye is all irritated from sticking it with that stupid plastic thing. Oh, look at that. All right, now's the real test, the liquid eyeliner. Let's see if I can do wings. Honestly, I don't know that it makes that much of a difference. Did not really help me achieve that winged eyeliner look that I used to rock when I was in my 20s. And I don't know that this was a very successful experiment. And now my hair is all screwed up. Oh! So now I have all my makeup on. I think my makeup looks like shit. I'm sorry, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just a regular person who sucks at doing makeup. And this is a finished result. So what do you think? Can you see it when I shut my eyes? Honestly, I don't feel like it really made much of a difference. I feel like you can see like maybe 2 millimeters more of my eyelid. Not enough to really make it worth the trouble, in my opinion. My overall impression is a big wah wah. But again, you know, it was super cheap. But you know, maybe it'll work for you. For less than $5, what do you got to lose? It was worth it to be able to film this video for you. What do you think? Do you think it made a difference? Leave me a comment, let me know. And if you are interested in this product, I will put the link up on my video below. Again, this is called Eye Charm Magic Slim blah, 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 Double Sticky Eyelid Tape. If you like more videos like this where I'm failing miserably at making product reviews and how-tos, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching.